want to buy one.
You want to buy one. What makes you have that theme?
Because for fashion, like laser cutting laser cutting textiles is a lot of fun, and you can create designs that are just really like a headache to make yourself. And we had a laser cutter at school. We had a 3D printer, but we never had like something that
My first impression was unpacking because it's Apple built a
3D printer.
Yes, so it's very nice.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Okay, good.
Yeah, it was some kind of Apple-like experience. If you have, for example, can I name it like Apple? I don't know.
I'm not feeling say that.
It was a nice packaging. It was really well made. It was well packaged. I had no problems in order to get all the parts together. And yeah, I definitely liked it.
Okay.
So for opening the box it's a very funny moment. It's like Christmas, and everything is well placed, everything is safe packed, and everything looks good. So and the assembling is it's a very lucky moment. Lucky moment. Everything fits, and then you can realize the machine come together and looks good.
The packaging was amazing.
Packaging was amazing.
Yeah. And your experience start when you unbox the print, because you enjoy how is well studied the boxing.
Yes.
Really quick and easy to assemble.
Oh yes.
And it's really to be used.
Okay.
And also I have appreciated year by year the improvement of the software, because at the beginning it was really basic. Now it's much better.
I love the manufacturing. It's completely metal and everything fits on the nanometer.
Yeah, that you can print, you can laser crave. That's very fine.
Very fine.
In a very small time to change between these two methods.
Oh yes.
Make the project because it was the first all-metal printer. It's really robust, and it's always working well. Also, if you forget for a month in an angle and pick up, it starts to print without problems.
Okay.
I like the quality of the product of Snapmaker and also the community.
Yeah, well, I was interested in the CNC part of the Snapmaker, and I want to learn more about the CNC part of it, because I'm mostly interested in designing 3D parts. So maybe it's something in the next future that I'm going to do more and more. So that's why.
I love the IDEX.
IDEX.
Yeah, IDEX is for me.
IDEX is sexy.
Yeah, I love it.
You can print two things at the same time.
It's a product measure.
What's the most interesting project you ever done with Snapmaker?
Well, I've done all kinds of presents and different things for the house. With the laser and.
So you like make things and as a gift to your friends?
I was selling some laser projects.
All right. So you're already doing some business with the Snapmaker?
Yes, I was trying to, and laser engraving went really good.
Okay.
And I was selling some pictures and cards, and it was very cool.
It's interesting, yeah, in using all the modules. Using the laser module, and using the CNC module, and using a bit of 3D printing in order to get some kind of fixtures. Actually, the project was to have a huge house number, or the sign for my house, on some compartment for our trash. But however, it sounds silly, but however, it was really quite interesting in order to get all things together, in order to make the project real.
I see.
Gehäuse. For some drone.
Right. For 3D printing. What's the most interesting project you've ever done so far?
Most interesting print or
Project.
project? Yeah.
Generally speaking.
The biggest and the most interesting was the Millennium Falcon.
All right. What's the most interesting project you've done with this?
Because I'm going to make my pyrotechnician training. I'm making a
a box for the electrical ignition.
Right.
And then the case alone took about 350 hours to print. I made it really thick, patchy.
Right.
And the plate and everything for the switches and so. And we have planted many apple trees and we made sign for them with the kind with the thought it is.